In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn Telegram stars legitimately using official affiliate programs. Telegram stars are the in-app currency used across many apps and paid content. There's no way to get them for free directly, and anything claiming otherwise, like hacks or generators, risks your account. The safe, official way to build up stars is through Telegram's own affiliate programs, and I'll walk you through exactly how that works. Start by opening Telegram and heading to Settings. From there, tap My Stars, then Earn Stars. This section showcases verified affiliate programs from many apps and services inside Telegram. You can join as many as you like, there's no limit. When you join a program, you'll receive a unique referral link tied to that app. Copy that link and you're ready to promote. Share your referral link wherever your audience is. You can post it in chats, your own channel, groups where it's appropriate, or even outside Telegram on your website, social profiles, or community forums that allow affiliate links. Be transparent and briefly explain what the mini app does and why it's useful. Clear, honest promotion typically performs better and keeps you compliant with platform rules. Here's how earnings work. When someone uses your link and spends stars in that mini app for the first time, you earn a commission. Many programs offer a revenue share. 8% is a common example, credited in stars to your account. It's tied to the user's first purchase in that specific app. So focus on bringing new, motivated users who are ready to try the app's premium features. Games, utility bots, and popular services tend to convert well, so consider choosing programs that match your audience's interests. To keep tabs on your progress, return to My Stars inside Settings. You'll see your balance and how payouts accumulate as referrals make purchases. This dashboard helps you understand which links are performing and where to double down. Consistency really matters here. Keep sharing your links over time, refresh posts with clear calls to action, and highlight any app updates or seasonal content to spark interest. Avoid spammy behavior. It's better to offer real value and context around each link. That's the entire process. Join official programs, promote your unique links, and track your star balance as commissions roll in. No shortcuts, no risks, just steady growth through legitimate promotion. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.